Hi there and welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's recipe is a quick, simple and easy Methi Sambar. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. A handful of chopped methi, 2 handfuls of dal or tur dal, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 10 to 12 pods of garlic. Add a liter of water. Mix the ingredients and let it pressure cook for about 5 to 6 whistles. After the pressure cooking is complete, strain the water out completely. Transfer the dal back into the cooker and using a wooden hand masher, mash the dal until a smooth consistency. Once you've mashed it to a smooth consistency, transfer the mixture back into the dal water that we set aside. For the tadka, the pressure cooker goes back on the stove. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is ready, drop in a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have stopped spluttering, add half an onion that is finely chopped, a handful of curry leaves, and stir it well until the onions change color. Add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Give it a good mix. Follow that up with 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep the stove on a medium flame as we mix the masalas, so we don't burn it. A few seconds with the masalas and it's time for the dal to go in. Just as the dal starts to simmer, add half a teaspoon of sambar powder, give it a good mix and let the dal come to a complete boil. Our sambar is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.